Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we're going to be making a beaded fringe skirt. So this was supposed to be a two-piece, but I totally messed up, so that's why it's only a skirt instead of the two-piece that I wanted to make in the first place. So I got a pencil skirt. It's just like how I made the yellow two-piece fringe set. That was the same idea that I wanted, but I wanted to do it with the beaded sets, beaded, so it would make noise and stuff like that. But it did not work out as planned because I got 3 yards of the beaded fringe. I got a pencil skirt, I got some scissors, and I got some fabric glue. This was the first time using the fabric glue, so I wasn't like sure how it would turn out. Thankfully, it turned out good. So first thing first, you guys saw in the beginning of the video that I put a pin at the side of the skirt. So I already measured it while I had it on just to see how long I wanted it, and where the pin was, that's where I was gonna cut. I cut above the pin instead of under the pin. That was an accident. That's the first accident that I made. It's not really a big deal. It's kind of short, but you're not gonna really see it. But yeah, and this is the piece of the skirt that I wanted to use it as a top. So what I should have done was make the top first and then make the skirt. Then I would have obviously know how much fabric. I would know how many fabric I had, how much would be left over, and all of that mess. And the second mistake that I made was I made them way too close together. I should have gave it like 2 or 3 inches apart. Then it would have turned out perfectly fine. I would have enough for the top and for the bottom. So you see the fringe, they're really, really long. So you don't need a lot. All you need is like 4. Yes, I think 4, and then boom, you're good. You see, just like that, you already filled up the rest of the skirt. So you don't need a lot. Just add on 3 more rows, and just like that, you're good. But I don't know what in the name of God I was thinking. I guess I wanted it to be thick as the first one I made. But there's a difference between fringe and beaded fringe. You can double layer it, but it's going to be way too heavy than just a normal fringe. So I should have given it like a little bit more room, and then I'll be good to go. But you live, you learn, you make mistakes. I'm going to be making a fringe dress, same beaded fringe dress. Hopefully that turned out way better than this. I'm not really upset, but I'm like, I wanted a two-piece because then I would have been able to wear it out. I'm still going to wear it out, but probably going to order some of the beaded. But this took a whole month to get here. That's my whole problem. And I hate to wait. By the way, just in case, I got a beaded fringe from Etsy's. I got 4 yards. If it's not 4 yards, it's 3 yards. And I think it was on the like 60. No, this was expensive. I think it was like $50. Yeah, hella expensive. This is the most expensive thing I've ever bought of Etsy's. My oh my. And I got a fabric glue. I don't know the name of that fabric glue, but I know that I got it from Walmart. I think it's pretty good. It doesn't leave any. When it's dry, you don't see the glue or anything like that. So I think I'm going to keep on using this glue instead of the E6000 glue. Even though the E6000 glue works great, but I do need a change. So this is what I was talking about. Instead of placing the first fringe right at the edge, I should have just moved it up a little bit more and then placed it. And then place the other one on top. And then this is the second mistake. I placed it way too close. The second fringe is way too close. I could have given it like 3 inches, and then I'll be good to go. Then I would have had enough left over. But yeah. So all I'm going to do is just add on the fabric glue straight across, and then just press in the fringe so that it could stick. Because remember, with fabric glue, you need to leave it overnight for it to fully dry and everything. So that's what I'm doing after I finish up everything. So yeah, just gonna keep on repeating the steps over and over and over again until I go all the way up top. I'm only gonna do the front. Obviously I don't have enough since I wasn't able to do the top, so could not do the back. But could you just imagine it? Just wait until the end of the video and you can see how beautiful it looks. Maybe I should have just cut out the bottom part and just place the fringe up top. That would be a great idea. But then, no, it wouldn't be short. It actually would have been a good idea. Why did I not think of that before? No, I already reused the fringe, so I cannot do anything about it. Do 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 do. So you guys get the idea of what I'm doing. Gluing it on. Yeah. This wasn't that heavy, but it does have a little weight to it since it's bead and I had a lot of it and it was very close together. So make sure that you spread it out, give it 2 or 3 inches, and you should be good to go. If you want them to be close together, you can do that. It's all about how you prefer it. Remember, the fringe are really, really long. I don't know how long they are, but they're long. Obviously, you saw in the beginning of the video when I placed it up top of the skirt, it took like half of it up already. So that's a little look. Well, that's it for me. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys at the end of it for the runway show. By the way, I'm really sorry about the noise. It's my heater, AC. No, AC. It's the heater. It's snowing. It's cold. I have to have my heat on, or else I'll freeze to death. Even though this takes 2 seconds to like do a voiceover, but I'm freezing. I had to have it on. So hopefully you guys can hear me well. If not, just comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that. So after leaving it overnight for it to dry, this is how it turned out. It doesn't make noise. I am so happy with how it turned out. I love it so much. It's nice and long at the front and a short, not that short, but it's a little bit short at the back. Still a 10 out of 10. I am so happy with this. Well, that is it for this video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next DIY. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.